Hello, my name is Paige Dixon, and I will be presenting on my topic, Monitoring Chronic Cough in Patients at Night, a pilot study on smartphone app usability. I am an undergraduate working in the Voice and Swallow Mechanics Lab at UC. I'm a senior in Speech, Language, and Hearing Sciences. I'm a part of the VMS Lab as part of my honors capstone. A special thank you to the VSN Lab and all of its members and UC Health collaborators. Let's talk about what chronic cough is. Chronic cough is a common clinical problem that is defined as a daily cough that lasts for more than 8 weeks. It affects about 5% of individuals in the United States. Currently, there are few objective measurements to assess the frequency and severity of cough or to help track treatment progress. So knowing that there are few objective ways to measure chronic cough, the long-term goal of our work is to develop a phone app that will monitor a person's cough at home. The present research study aims to 1, gather audio data to assist in future acoustic cough detection algorithm development, and 2, assess the participants' perceptions of using an app at home. Overall, we want to create an easy-to-use application on a smartphone device so people can properly record how much they are coughing throughout the night. In the end, we would like to have 10 participants to take part in this study. There are certain requirements that make you eligible to be a participant. All of our participants are English speakers, at least 18 years old, have had a chronic cough for 8 weeks that impacts their sleep, and has a device that can download an app. This study is 2 sessions with given at-home tasks to the participants. In session 1, we collect demographic information, including medical history related to cough and sleep, questions using a Likert scale from 1 to 5 about their cough and sleep, and a Leicester cough questionnaire. Participants will also be trained on how to use a recording app on their phone. At home, they will record their sleep at least 3 nights. They will also fill out this nocturnal cough log that tracks how many hours they slept, the amount of times they woke up due to coughing, and their sleep quality. Participants will then come to campus to complete session 2 about 1 week later than session 1. We will then collect their opinion using a Likert scale of 1 to 5 on the usability and comfortability on the recording app. We will also upload their recorded data to our server. This is an ongoing study, but so far we have had 3 participants with a goal of 10. Our male participant is 71 years old. Our 2 female participants are 47 years old and 75 years old, which gives us an average age of 64. These results are an average of all 3 participants we've had so far. They had an average of 6.06 hours of sleep and reported 0 to 3 cough events per night. The Leicester cough questionnaire has a total score range of 3 to 21. The higher the score, the better quality of life, and the lower the score, the lower quality of life. The cutoff score is 17, and the average of these participants was 12.04, which tells us their cough had a negative impact on their daily life. During session 2, we asked them to rate their comfortability with the app using a 1 to 5 Likert scale. Our results show that there was a 4.93 out of 5 with the app comfortability, which tells us they understood how to use the app. We also asked them to rate their app usability during session 2. Our results for this section found that when asked about using a monitoring app during the day, a lower Likert average of 3 out of 5 was observed, which was due to concerns about privacy. Important takeaways from this study is that chronic cough can gratefully disturb people's quality of life. We also know there are very few objective ways to assess the frequency and severity of the cough or to help track treatment progress of someone who struggles with chronic cough. So in conclusion, apps on a smartphone device are a feasible way for patients to provide quantifiable data on their chronic cough while asleep, but more information is needed on how to protect privacy when using apps during the day. Thank you, and this concludes my presentation.